What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Ladies fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Milady meme coin holding up pretty strong. I know the ladies fam, a lot of people are, just, holding. They got conviction, which is the smartest thing to do. And then, then they got people that are already gave up on the project, because when it comes to crypto, people love new shiny objects all the time. So it is what it is, man. But never talk down on a project, guys. Never belittle a project, in my opinion, because you just never know what could happen in the future. That same project you tried to FUD, or say didn't have a future, say it's over with, could just start to bounce back. I see that all the time in projects where they just bounce back. But it's great to see that Milady meme coin is holding up pretty good, guys, and we're gonna dive into it like we always do in this video. So please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Right now, ladies at $22.4 million in market cap, $3.4 million in 24-hour trade volume, down 1.3%. It's all because of Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin kind of ruined the party for us, as you guys can see. Back on the 19th, just a few days ago. That wasn't even that long, but the volatility of crypto is what we live for, right? Because it's only in crypto that you could see huge moves to the upside, but the same will happen for the downside, right? It's the inverse as well for the downside, as well as the upside. So on the 19th, we're making a nice move. Everybody was like, oh, we're making a comeback, and then Bitcoin kind of ruined the party, man. Bitcoin back below 30k, it's going down. So I'm waiting for what Bitcoin is going to be doing. We still have a target for Bitcoin for 34k to 36k for Bitcoin. So this is just probably a consolidation that's going to be happening in altcoins and meme coins as well, until Bitcoin finds like a support level. Then it starts to move back up, and then I think ladies will start to move back up, just like how it was starting to do it back on the 19th, man. We're starting to make a nice move on the 19th, started to move back up. But again, like I said, BTC kind of ruined the party, man. So we just got to be patient. This week wasn't that bullish. Today's Saturday, it's the weekend. Let's see how it is going into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, when the stock market opens again, because the stock market kind of was booming recently, right? When I was live streaming, we checked out the stock market. It was kind of making a nice little boom. So going into the start of the new week, when the stock market opens, I think we're gonna be bullish, right? This week was just, I think, a consolidation week, man. Until we got so much good news that's happening in the space. I just think this is just a tiny consolidation for Bitcoin, and ladies is just following the Bitcoin chart as well as all the other altcoins, right? There's some, don't get me wrong, there's a few altcoins out of how many? There's a few out of how much? Where's the amount of cryptos? Wait, really? Is it 1.8 million plus cryptos? I thought it was around 30,000. I don't know how it got to 1.8 million plus cryptocurrencies now, but I thought it was around 30,000. Maybe this is a glitch on coin market cap, but coin market cap was only tracking the cryptos that are on coin market cap. So I don't know why this is such a high number now, but either way, out of 1.8 million plus cryptos, there's only a few that are making a move up when Bitcoin is coming down. But majority of the market, 90%, 95% of the market is retracing with Bitcoin. So ladies is doing the same thing, right? You could take a look right here. Let's take a look, compare it to the Bitcoin chart on the 7-day. Look at this. You see Bitcoin was making a move up, man. You see Bitcoin is the brownish orangish line, and Bitcoin was making a move up. You see it was at 31,600, and ladies was going up with it. But then it started to fall off. So ladies, it's doing the same thing, guys. So You know, just be aware of the lead market mover and what it's doing. I think, like I said, 34 to 36k Bitcoin. Let's check back and see where the ladies price is at, man. Hopefully, like I said, it keeps that stability to follow the broader market, right? Let's hope it keeps that stability. And yeah, consolidations are always cool for me, in my opinion, because that's when you could DCA. If you didn't have your ladies bag, now you could have it, right? If you hold 5 billion to 10 billion to 20 billion ladies, that's a nice amount to have. Like I said, 10 billion ladies, which is around $305. Not anything crazy. Could give you some nice gains in the future, right? Because there will be another meme coin season, and you know, the top meme coins in the space, all of them will eventually get a time when they send, like Shiba Inu, Doge, all of them will start going crazy once again, and ladies will be one of them. Even meme coins that, you know, people forgot about, right? Even meme coins that were around since the previous cycle, they could explode too, right? You just never know what happens with this space. So 10 billion ladies, I think, is a great bag to have. So if you hold 10 billion, that could give you some nice gains in the future, man. 100x, 300x on a meme coin, I wouldn't rule it out, man. So 300 times a 300x, boom, that's 90k. Potentially a 400x, you never know, man. Meme coins always go bonkers, guys. Meme coins always go bonkers, guys. So let's see, man. Look at that, $6.7 billion in market cap for ladies. Why not? Saitama, that was another meme coin that went crazy in the last bull cycle. Saitama did it. Shiba, I think like Kishu, Akita, a lot of them went to billions, right? So I wouldn't rule out ladies going to billions, guys. Let's take a look at the Twitter. 65.8k followers on Twitter. Rise with determination, shine with confidence, and conquer the markets with ladies. As you guys can see, the engagement still is up there. 6,000, just under 6,000 views on this tweet, man. A ton of likes and retweets. You know, you guys know how it is with projects in the space. Eventually, you know, so at a moment in time, they start to lose the hype. But then all it takes is just one moment for the hype to come back, and everybody starts FOMOing in, right? So you want to be there before the pumps happen. You want to get there before it starts, you know. You want the pumps to come to you. You don't want to chase the pumps. That's how you lose money in the space, when you chase the pumps, guys. Do your best to get the pumps to come to you. So you should be buying projects that are in consolidation phases, right? The projects that aren't making moves up right now, those are the ones you should be focused on. From top BSC news, most traded meme coins in the recent weeks, right? In the recent week or so, right? And you can see ladies is right up here, right? Ladies is right up here next to Baby Doge. You guys know Ben, you know, BitBoy Crypto took over Ben. And ladies is at the top as the most traded meme projects in the past week, which is great stuff, man. Like I said, this is great volume. Tier 1 exchanges always look at volume. And you know, I remember CZ saying once the total supply of the project isn't, the circulating isn't very low, which the full supply of ladies is pretty much out there. I think the rest of the supply is for centralized exchange listings, right? So since almost the full supply is out, people like CZ, he always says when the close to the full supply is out, or when the full supply is out, those are the projects that they like to list, because when the circulating supply is low, it just means like a team or venture capitalists, or you know, seed investors, you know, the private investors, they could dump on the retail investors. So in this case, you don't have that issue, right? So you know, like I said, tier 1 exchange listings could potentially happen for it in the future. I wouldn't rule it out at all. And our crypto don't miss this opportunity, bros, and he thinks that ladies, Bonk, and Floki could do a 1000x. Bonk is one of those Solana meme coins that recently came out, again in the top memes, right? Top memes, you'll see, oh, ladies actually higher than Bonk at the moment. Look at that. So Bonk is one of those top Solana meme coins, right? And ladies is on Ethereum and Arbitrum. So you could say ladies is a top Arbitrum meme coin, which is the layer 2 for Ethereum, and a top Ethereum meme coin. Not sure why these other projects aren't loading. Weird. Let me refresh the page. But yeah, okay, now they loaded. So Bonk, Solana meme coin sitting at 18 million, and our crypto thinks Bonk could do a 1000x. He think Ladies could do a 1000x, and also Floki, right? And Floki right now is at 226 million. So for Ladies to go to Floki's market cap, that's already a 10x right there. And like I said, 10x's in crypto happen all the time. So when people are like, oh yeah, you just get a 10x on your portfolio, 10x's happen so fast in crypto. Like a 10x is like you know how in the stock market you have to wait years for like a 2x. 10x's in crypto are like the 2x of the stock market, right? They happen so fast in crypto. It's so easy for a project to 10x, man. So yeah, from Code Enigma, which altcoins he's buying on a Saturday, he's buying Ladies. That's the first one he's getting into, man. Altcoin Wizard, buy every coin you are bullish on in the bear market. In the bull market, this coin can be worth 5 to 10x. I am bullish on, and right here he has Ladies as well, man. So that is great stuff. I told you guys, I'm seeing more and more people tweet about Ladies. Engagement is still there. People are classing Ladies like they class Floki and Baby Doge, just long-term meme coins, right? They got some meme coins that are just long-term, 5 to 10x in the bull market. I think we go higher than that for the bull market, but you know, we'll see, man. But even if you get a 5 to 10x on your investment, that's great investing, and then you just take those gains and you keep doing it. You rinse repeat on every small win you get, and then eventually you grow your net worth that way. You grow your stock that way, right? And then you just keep going into the future years, just like a Warren Buffett, until you become a billionaire, right? Not just a millionaire, but a billionaire. That is possible through crypto. And if you guys are here for the long term, like years into the future, you will definitely get financial freedom, man. I'm telling you. But yeah, ladies, fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, make this video go viral, blow it up. Like the video, share it on Twitter, share it with the rest of the ladies, fam. Share it every time you talk about Ladies to a friend. Show them the videos, man, and what potential upside you got in the future for Ladies. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next